With the removal of the headphone jack by many of the major phone manufacturers, we are moving towards a truly wireless future. Over the past couple of months, I've tested a number of wireless earbuds. However, there was one pair that stood out in particular. Without any further ado, meet the Bragi Dash Pro, in my opinion, the best wireless earbud of 2017. The box itself is quite compact. It contains 6 pairs of different sizes of foam and silicone tips, charging case, micro USB cable, and small extras such as instructions and Bragi stickers. The charging case is well made. The top protective part is made out of aluminum with a soft blue finish inside. The rest of the case is plastic. Due to the materials used, the whole package is pretty heavy. However, Bragi did not hold back on the battery capacity of the charging case. It is able to recharge the buds 5 times from 0 to 100%. As for the earbuds themselves, I really like the design. They have a very modern, slim look and fit exceptionally well in the ear. Whether walking or running, they sit flush with the ear and stay secure even with more dynamic head movements. Minimalistic design is especially great for people who want to use them while wearing a hat or a helmet. In addition, the Bragi Dash Pro has some of the best noise isolation I've experienced. The Dash Pro sound good. The sound is very comparable to Bose earphones. They offer clear mids with a decent amount of bass to suit most genres of music. Throughout my time with the earbuds, I had no problems with the Bluetooth connection whether using them indoor or outdoors. They also don't suffer from any lag when watching videos, which is a big problem with some of the competitors. When it comes to battery life, when using the Dash just for music without the transparency feature turned on, the earbuds lasted me for about 4.5 hours. With the transparency on, however, the battery life was shortened by about an hour. The main way to interact with the earbuds are touch gestures. I'm happy to report that they work great, about 95% of the time. They allow for simple controls, such as play and pause, skip, lowering or raising the volume, but also for some more advanced features such as activating the transparency or accessing Google Assistant or Siri. There's also a feature Bragi calls a 4D menu, which allows you for basic controls just with your head movements. Bragi also created a mobile app for both iOS and Android. It allows for some basic controls such as turning the transparency on or off depending on whether the music is playing, changing the master volume, or checking your health stats. The app works well and has few settings. However, I wish that we're also able to fine-tune the way the earbuds sound, just like we can do in case of the Jaybirds. The Dash Pro also works well as a fitness tracker. It has a built-in heart monitor and uses its sensors to automatically detect activities such as running, swimming, or biking. If you're not a huge fan of the Bragi app, however, the earbuds also support some third-party health tracking apps, including Google Health. Throughout my time with the earbuds, I couldn't find any major flaws. They have a great, slim and durable design, offer good battery life, great carrying case, waterproofing, and activity tracking. If you're looking for a great wireless earbud, and you're not put off by the high price tag, you will not be disappointed with the Bragi Dash Pro.